All right, good morning. We are in Los Angeles. This place, it's closed down now. Got a new tenant moving in, picking it up where these guys left over. And this is a strange one, and it's a rough one. Okay, so we got two hoods back to back. We got this front line here. Guys have worked on it in the past, which is, that's good. I haven't really gotten it all the way clean, as you can see, but a little bit of work's been done. What you're looking at there at the end, these are turning vanes. So that ductwork makes a 90-degree turn there, and there are turning vanes in the grease duct, which is kind of unusual. So, got this front hood here. This back hood, I've never seen this before. So we got a walk line, right? And if you look, you can see we have two plenums here, right? And then you're like, wait, what is that? We have these exhaust fans. These are inline exhaust fans. And they are in the plenum. And that's very strange. We've got an access up there, and I'm gonna get to that in a second. This ductwork runs horizontally. We have access doors on the bottom of the duct. That doesn't meet code. Always needs to be on the side. Got a little bit of a clearance issue, which is probably why they put them on the bottom, but these are gonna leak grease. They're gonna leak water when they get washed. So as we go out, we have a parking structure here, we have parking. And the ductwork is running outside. I got an access open. So out here, turns 90 degrees, goes up to the roof right there. That's our ductwork. It's, like 3 stories. Very challenging job. But let's take a look inside that access door. All right, here's our access. So these access doors were cut not too long ago. This one doesn't fit. There's a gap, as you can see. But hey, at least there's access. Let's take a look inside this ductwork. All right. So that's pretty dirty, as you can see. That's going toward the roof, or at least the bottom of the vertical. You can see all that ductwork, how dirty it is. Now, what I might recommend is we enlarge one of these so we can put a man inside and crawl it. Hand scrape it, get it all clean. I'm gonna zoom in here. Yeah, because look at that. That is rough. And that's the section that goes into the kitchen there with the access on the bottom of the duct. So I'm gonna put together an estimate on this. I'm gonna dig into it a little bit further. We're gonna go up on the roof next, but this is not something you see every day. It's a very challenging job. All this ductwork needs to get cleaned out. And back in here in the kitchen, so I followed the ductwork from outside. And I'm gonna show you the access up here. It's my makeshift ladder. All right, so remember that plenum we saw? The fan? It's bizarre, I've never seen this before. These are inline fans. They do spin, as you can see. Well, what somebody's done is they've just added round type 2 ductwork to connect to here. And if you look inside, we've got 2 connections. One there and one there. There's our other fan up there. So it connects to the ductwork. So they added, basically I think they just added this second hood after the fact. Here's our turning vanes, which is bizarre. You got to get all this cleaned out. You're going to need to get to both sides of this. And there is an access on the other side, but wow. There are no easy jobs. So full cleanup on this, put together an estimate, and brine exhaust service. We're going to take care of this one.